Before we start from scratch, before we start from the very basics of what is database, my kind request, please ensure on-time practice, on-time submission of assignments from today itself, day one of our course. Here is our actual roster. Day one, today, introduction, assignment. Tomorrow, installation, assignment. Day after tomorrow, SQL basics, assignment. Every day throughout the course, you have assignments. Few chapters have extra assignments and answers for interested interactive participants. So ball in your court, you do more, we get more, we love more together. Please help me. Things are bit vast, but very much in detail, meaningful, step by step. There are two types of learning: history, chemistry. We are into the second level, chemistry. I mean, interactive, interaction, dependency, meaningful concepts one by one. Need your support. Do not miss any class. It's one time, lifetime chance to learn something. Let's do it carefully. In case of any absence, prior intimation, so that we can ensure you don't miss anything. Please take print copies of our detailed day-wise class notes. Will be sent in advance weekly. You need to visit a printer once a week. Take print copies of the weekly notes so that we'll be having clarity in what we are learning each week. Okay, please make sure we follow them carefully for best results. Next, please shake your mic. Please, these are all important for us. Next, so you'll be having the weekly notes. Make sure you take print copies. You need to take print copies, not only the notes, even the assignments also, assignment answers, concept wise answers, chapter wise. First, you'll try to work on the assignments every day. Then you get my answers. Attendees who submit the answers will have videos on explanation of the answers. So we do more, we get more. Next, live class videos will be given on email for your attended classes, plus absented classes upon prior intimation. But one thing, friends, we are into traditional learning. I value your time. Let's think practically. We are into old method of learning, step by step. Our notes, my notes will be very much in detailed, step by step. You take print copy of it. You go through it carefully after the class. Anytime in future, it should help us a lot. But still, for secondary reference, we have video access for 2 weeks from session date. On request, we can extend it for another 1 week. But again, we need to get it from the notes. Traditional learning method. Number 5, kindly document or write the keywords we learn and practice during the classes every day and send me on WhatsApp immediately after the class, so that we understand what exactly we are learning and we need to be attentive. I need your support, you need my support. As simple as that. This works. It's working fine.
Hi, sir. Hello.
Yes, madam. Hi, madam. Yes,
Uh,
I can hear. Yeah.
yes. Okay, I have one query. For from keywords, what do you mean by keywords?
I'll guide you, madam.
What
I'll
we
guide you.
have to?
Allow me to continue and put forward points actually. You
Okay,
have to.
okay.
Thank you. Now, here it is, friends. For example, in the classes, few items will be in bold. Few items would be colored, underlined. Those are important to mark the journey points. Every keyword, every item, every example I'll be repeating in the class. We'll continue for the next item. Once everything is clear, straight to the point. Need your support. This particular course is not for everyone, please help me. You need to filter your trainer. I have to filter my participants. Let's think practically, okay? It's not like, okay, come join, giving discount, come join. No, no, no. Let's think practically. Content first, quality first. The way we broadcast our resume is important here. I want interested participants. You want an interactive trainer. Let's sit together, chalk out our resume by this weekend itself. And here it is. Number 6, participants who involve more in the class will have extra assignments, will have access to mock interviews, additional mock interviews, and more. Ball in your court. Let's get started now. I understand, friends. We're all very, very new. These guidelines will be sent second mail today, along with the day-wise roster. Day-wise checklist will be sent, like what we are going to learn on each day with detailed curriculum. Please take print copies of these 2 items also. You'll be receiving the second mail today. First mail, you already received the introduction document that contains what is what. Second mail, more important, our journey checklist activities, attorney in our journey plan. We'll do slowly. We'll go for questions after I put forward all my points. Let's get started now. Whatever keywords you find new, whatever keywords you find bold, colored, please get them documented so that we can frame up our story in future in an easier way. Let's get started. Let's understand slowly, step by step, what is database. Purpose of our meet today. Let's get started slowly, step by step. This is Sai Phanindra from SQL School. I assure you complete practical classes from scratch. I touch your feet and guide you if you love the subject. Really, I swear, it has given me more than what I dreamt in my life. Since 2005, my first job at Microsoft, 2005. I am from BTech, JNTU, Jawaharlal Nehru University, Hyderabad, India. Since my campus from 2005, I have been with these database technologies. You'll see my love and my dedication. Pretty sure that's secondary. Primary, your interest. You practice more, you get more. As simple as that, friends. Need your support. I badly need your support. Let's understand slowly what is database today, what is SQL for first 15 minutes. Then slowly step into installation. Basic installation today. Anyone have any trouble on installation, they can reach us at our office if you are from Hyderabad, or connect online with our team and get the things installed. First you will try. Then if required, we are there to guide you. You will join the course only after installation. Without installation, we cannot practice. Without practice, time is the main thing here. Let's get started slowly. What is database? Why we need it? Yes, so far we have been storing our data in Excel, PDF, flat files like text files, CSV files, etc. Then why database? What's the purpose? Let's see. Database is a platform. Friends, attendees who are writing their notes, only bold enough. Detailed notes into your email. Please observe carefully. Database, a platform to store any type of data, any amount of data. Sai, what is this? Any type of data. My name is Sai, okay, by the way. You may ask me, Sai, what is any type of data? What do you mean by that? QR codes, passwords, barcodes. We cannot store them in Excel, right? Isn't it? Yes. Are you getting my point, please? Practically, please. Are we getting it, everyone? We cannot store passwords and barcodes in Excel directly, right? Isn't it? Are you getting my point, please? Yes.
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 Yes, friends, there we are. Okay. Practically, database can welcome any type of data, any amount of data, terabytes and Petabytes of data we can store in database, our new friend from tomorrow, fully secured. We'll see how to implement databases from second half of tomorrow's class practically. We need to set up the stage, we need to set up the environment in the meantime. There are two types of databases. OLTP, I understand friends, we're all very new. Good to write our notes if possible, to stay tuned, to stay concentrated. OLTP, online transaction processing database, like ongoing data. For example, a live cricket match, live online banking. Simple example, our live class right now. OLTP. Warehouse, old historical data, inactive data. For example, yes, right now, say live. I said live data, right? Live data activities. Anything live, we call it as OLTP. Anything live, OLTP activities. OLTP. Yes, we can analyze the content in an easier way. For example, a live cricket match, online banking, or for example, dashboard of my online trainings for a few US participants, for a few webinars. Yep, I can clearly say, okay, why Jan 2nd there is a less amount of attendance? New Year impact. We can clearly sense here. My local time zone in India, webinar is for the US participants. So here you see by the trend that this analytics, the live analytics is there, right? This is called live data, we call live. Now I want to have history, old history data. Then what we do? Here it is. We go to something called analytics. We go to something called analytics screen and read the old data, past data. Say build report, get the data from where to where, etc. So this kind of live interactions, OLTP, past data warehouse. Another small simple example. Assume you go to your LinkedIn or any other corporate network, LinkedIn or any network of your choice. For example, I'll take you there to my LinkedIn profile, just to get some idea. Anything live, OLTP, remember, because this is the component we are going to install in another 10 minutes from now. We'll slowly proceed for the installations in next 10 minutes. Anything live, OLTP. For example, last 1 year, we see the content performance a 37% increment. So this is called analytics. So where we are we going up, coming down? So how you get the analytics? From database. So live data, historical data. The birthplace of data, OLTP. The actual living room, data warehouse, historical data. We are going to have both. OLTP, developers will take care of the design, and other one, data engineers. Warehouse will be taken care by data engineers. Remember this. Developers will take care of OLTP database design. Data engineers will take care of data warehouse design. Remember this. Important items. Then what DBAs will do? Database administrators. These DBAs are supposed to manage both developer product OLTP and data engineer output, data engineer product warehouse. DBS will take care of the management. And data analysts, reporting, report regular file data, Excel file, PDF, CSV, etc. Database data, warehouse data. Anything, everything, data analysts can perform all reporting activities. Analysis reporting, we call it. So any project, any database project, these are all the common job roles. Remember that. Developers, engineers, admins, analysts, 4 different teams, 1 project. Now, to get them related to each other, here it is. The birthplace of data, I said OLTP, online transaction processing database. Remember the full form: online transaction processing database, OLTP. The godown is called warehouse, data warehouse, big data. From there comes reporting analytics. We are installing and working with learning the first one, OLTP, from tomorrow. To make it more clear, the common prominent job roles. Developers will be involved in design of OLTP databases. Data engineers will be involved in design of data warehouse databases. Cloud computing, big data activities, engineers will take care. Separate certification called DP203 for data engineers. I'm intentionally highlighting few items on the screen just to make it clear. OLTP, data warehouse. OLTP developers will take care, data warehouse engineers will take care, certification, and data analysts, reports, dashboards. Business analysts will be involving in customer user interaction. What is what has to be done, how it has to be done, who need to do what, will be taken care by business analysts. So they need more experience, more exposure, and common certification, because common technologies for data analysts and business analysts from Microsoft. DBAs responsible for OLTP as well as data warehouse management, troubleshooting. Like DBAs are the database doctors. They start nursing, junior DBAs, and super surgeons, senior DBAs. Dedicated certification from Microsoft DP300. Next, friends, will go for questions in another 5 minutes, please. Let me put forward all my points. With this information, now our next important activity. Okay, we are going to do the installation of what? Yes, today we are going to do the installation of a software. Today we are going to do installation of a software and perform database concepts from second half of tomorrow. All basic fundamentals we need to learn from tomorrow's class. More importantly, architecture. We need to learn what is what, how it's happening inside, the actual chemistry inside, with examples, basic tuning activities, procedure, functions, triggers, etc. From there, you have to continue for either administration or engineering or BI, data analysis, or BI developer or SQL developer. Note that as on date, for these two, there are no certifications from Microsoft. For SQL developer and MSBI, BI developer, as on date, there are no certifications from Microsoft. For cloud, we have certifications. MSBI comes under non-cloud, there is no certification. So we'll start with yellow box, and you need to let us know which of the streams you are involved in, or which of the streams you would like to opt for. You need to let us know, and we need to provide the step-by-step complete checklist, learning activities, and day-wise roster curriculum for those relevant classes. Basics are common for everyone this week, next week. These basics involve SQL. What is that? SQL, structured query language. It's a platform. Don't think programming, not at all. Nice user interface. Thanks to AI. AI has made the things very easier now. Really, it made the things very easier. In olden days, we used to write the complete code. Now with AI, from Microsoft itself, we have good amount of extensions, free extensions from Microsoft, inbuilt with the tools, license tools for easy usage, for easy querying and easy touch on the database. Yes, any operation you want to perform on database, we use SQL, structured query language. Either administration, engineering, analyst, developers, coding, programming, or data science, everyone, anyone, common basement, SQL. let's step into SQL, and whichever course you're opting for that particular course on top of SQL, you have detailed chapter-wise content like this, like what we are going to learn in each chapter, and the keyword checklist as well. We'll take it one to one for understanding more about the course curriculum. For now, let's continue with next item, installation. Let me repeat once again. So far we are learning, come on, what we are learning so far? What is database? Number 2, please, everyone, please. Next.
Basic types of database.
Exactly, types of database. Please, others, you do more, we get more. Really, I mean it, friends. It's a demo class. I should be very cautious. No second thought. Please, please help me. I want interactive, active participants. Please, please help me. Database,
Presenting for
types of
TP.
databases. Then we learned the job roles, isn't it? Yes, please. Yes,
Yeah,
job roles.
data analyst, DBA,
Yes. Then
data
what
engineer,
is SQL server? Say what is SQL first. What is SQL? Number 5. What is SQL server? Number 6. Number 6. Why SQL server? I'll put forward all my points. Number 7. Last item today and first half of tomorrow. How to install, configure SQL server. Okay. Your mobile has 2 SIMs. Assume 2 SIM slots. Your computer will have 2 SQL servers. We need 2 servers. Your mobile has a keypad to operate on the SIMs. And here we have something called Management Studio tool to operate on the servers. I'll guide you step by step with the installation. That's why I said we need 2 days, today and tomorrow, to configure the things. What is database? Yes, a platform to store and manage any type of data, any amount of data. Please, what are the types of databases? Please, mic with you all. Please, types of databases.
OLTP.
OLTP and DBA.
OLTP.
Exactly,
DW.
OLTP, data
EWS.
warehouse. There is one more called OLAP. Remember this. Just one more, okay? We'll go slowly, step by step. What is that? Back to my old screen
Am I
here
audible?
on my screen. What is this? Let's see. OLTP, left side. Online transaction processing database to store live data, like a showroom, just like a showroom, like an online cricket match, live cricket match. Other one, data warehouse, like a godown, old data, old activities to store old inactive data for past analysis. I applied for a home loan recently. They analyzed my past financial content. Then they approved the home loan because they're able to identify my loan repaying capacity. Old is gold, right? History repeats. So old data has to be stored somewhere. It can be analyzed in future. Forecasts. Who is doing the forecast? OLAP. Remember, online analytical processing database to perform big data analytics and forecasts. Remember this. There are few more databases. For now, these 3 should help us to continue our journey. Job roles. What are the job roles? Developer, data engineers, data analysts, and business analysts, and database administrators. Developers to design OLTP databases, to design data warehouse databases with ETL technologies, with SQL technology. ETL is extract, transform, load. This one. There's something called Databricks, Data Factory, DBT tools, Amazon Glue, Synapse, etc. Lot of technologies in ETL. Data analysts to report and analyze data from above sources. OLTP data warehouse. Business analysts to work with customers and analyze their requirements and perform required what we call sprints or work allocation activities. What has to be done, how it has to be done, when it has to be done, who you need to do what, etc. And admins to manage OLTP and data warehouse databases. I'll provide you this complete notepad anyway. Please go through it to the point slowly, step by step. SQL stands for structured.
Yeah, hi Sai, sorry to interrupt.
Tell me,
I
brother,
think there
tell
is
me.
one
Yeah.
more role. There is one more role related to data architecture also.
Tell me, what is that role? Please tell me. Yeah.
I think there is one more role related to data architecture.
Data architecture. I mean, it's a data architect. Are you talking about data architect?
Yes, yes.
Those are all different,
Is
brother.
there any role related to that?
Yeah. We have
That
a
is
separate,
different.
but not that's not related to only data. There is a role called solution data architect is there. Okay, you see my screen, brother. Data architect, you have separate 6 months
Yes, yes.
course. Okay, and we have solution architect also, brother.
Okay.
That is 9 months course. Those are different actually. Those are different.
Okay.
Okay, we are only
Okay. Okay.
talking
Got it.
about
Got it. Thank you.
the initial job roles pertaining to these two databases, whereas data architect, solution architect need to talk about network administration, DevOps, and other things also. Getting it, brother? Both those are entirely different actually.
Okay. Okay. Understood, Sai. Thank
Okay,
you.
let me continue. Where we are now. Yeah. For example, our solution architect is like this: AI, Gen AI, admin, DevOps, Fabric, etc., etc., etc. Other courses. We are right now into basic database activities. Okay, the ground level. Next, say up to say 10 years, up to 10 years usually. Beyond 10 years, yes, you need to have architect level and consultant level, even VP level also. We have those courses with a separate. Where we are now, SQL. To communicate with any database, for day-to-day storage operations. And we have one more called TSQL. Okay, one more called TSQL, Transact SQL. What is that? Transact SQL. What is this Transact SQL? To communicate with databases stored in Microsoft SQL Server. Very simple. Language, English. What's the difference? English is a type of language. OS, Windows. What's the difference? Windows is a brand of OS. TSQL is a brand of SQL, also called MS SQL, Microsoft SQL. What is SQL Server? A software from Microsoft used to operate and manage databases. This is called SQL Server. It is cheaper, easier, very easier, and user friendly. How easy it is, we'll see it now. How to install SQL Server? Today, we are going to install SQL Server once. Basic installation today. Tomorrow, detailed installation. Tomorrow, installation tests. And then slowly start our practice. Now, what about the prerequisites? You should be getting a question to yourself by now. What are the system requirements? Simple and straight. Here it is. Windows is required for our classes. Windows 8 or higher. If you are using Mac, kindly enable Windows inside Mac. I can guide you for that. Or install Parallels software inside Mac. I can guide you for that. We'll take it one-to-one. And all such activities, either my team can take care or you can reach me on this number. But make sure we do the installation to start the classes. My kind request. If everyone is on the same page, at least same page in the initial starting classes, things are very smooth and straight. Need your support. Windows 8 or higher required. If you are using Mac, please WhatsApp me. Next, one more. 4 GB RAM is okay, but 6 gig RAM or higher needed. Safe. I can provide you more sample databases for your practice and all. And any processor is fine, no problem. Disk, no problem. Any small hard disk is also okay because you have access to our online server. You have access to your local servers and online server both. I'll guide you one by one. Let's start the installation. Any questions on item 1 to 6, let me know. Any one-to-one questions related to the course and all, we'll take it after the class. Any technical questions on this theory part 1 to 6, let me know, please. I'll wait. Please. Jainab, Yaswant, Venkat, Hotra, Syed, Sudhir, Saurav, Shyam, Shivaraj, Satish, Rajashekar, Rahul. Please, everyone, please. I'll wait.
I have noted.
Any? Yeah.
No issues, Sai.
Fine.
Yeah,
Ellis
all good.
and Anna Ahmad, Abhinav, Vaishnav, Dosa, Sainath, Dosa, Sainath. Yeah, brother, tell me. Any questions, please?
Everything
See
is
no.
Sainath. Fine, sir. Fine, sir. Yeah. Gopichan, Matthews, Krishna, Manas, Dikshita, Muhammad, Naveen. Any questions,
No issue.
please? Fine, sir. Others, please.
No.
Nikhil, Pavan, Prakash, Preeti. Prakash, I think your mic got muted till now, Prakash. Sorry. Can you hear me now,
Yes,
Prakash?
yes. Yeah, I can hear you. Actually, I thought to ask, but I can't able to ask
Tell me now.
just now.
You can now. Tell me. Yes.
No, no, nothing from my side.
Perfect. Perfect. Yeah. Okay.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Muhammad
Yes,
Jishan,
sir.
please tell
Hello.
me. Proceed. 1 to
Hello.
6. Tell me.
Yeah. Yeah. How are you, sir? Firstly, I want to know, I put my hands dirty on SQL language, but my question is, I understand we run the queries, we bring the data, it's all okay. But the design part, how things are related to each other in the data, the thinking of that database, how things are related from the problem statement, that is what really ponders me a lot. Like how to
Exact.
think like that, how to bring the questions in my
Yeah.
mind. Like
We'll take it. From
I
chapter 8,
know
we have
even
kind
bringing
of
the
scenarios.
queries is challenging, but yeah, yeah.
Understood. We'll take it, sir.
Hello.
We'll take it. Just born, right? From chapter 8, as you see on the screen, brother, yes, we are going to take those scenarios, relations, problem statements, client requirements, solution strategies. We are going to learn them from chapter 8. You see on the screen. We'll do one by one, okay? We're all very new. We'll start from the scratch. Mamad, okay? We'll do.
Thank you.
Thank you, brother. Thank you. Friends, please confirm. We're all very new. We'll start from the scratch, right? Everyone, please confirm, please. Everyone, yes, please. Yeah, please confirm, please. We start from the
Yes.
scratch,
Yes.
everyone, step by step, please.
Yes.
Yep,
Yes.
that's perfect.
Yes.
Let's get started. Okay. Yep. Friends, one thing. If anyone already have some knowledge on SQL, do let me know. I can provide you additional information upfront and you can start working on it. You can start case studies. Once you complete case studies, you can start the project work. No problem, okay? I am flexible. I am flexible. Let's make sure the learning is useful. That's important. Let's get started now. How to install. I'll provide you these introduction notes. I'll close it. Let's slowly move on to the second chapter, installation. I said your mobile, 2 SIM slots. Yesterday, we bought a new TV at our home. New Year offer, right? New Year discount offer, okay? We got a new TV at our home. And the person helped me to control the TV using my mobile by installing the Samsung app. Samsung TV. Here it is. In your computer, to understand the things practically in a meaningful way, We need total 3 servers. SQL server 1 today, now, just 3 minutes, only 3 minutes installation will be complete. Very simple and straight. I'll show you today. 3 minutes. Detailed installation tomorrow, 30 minutes. 2 servers. One common keypad. This is Management Studio tool. Remember the new tool name, SQL Server Management Studio, like a browser. But local servers are not enough. I said there is no specific disk requirement. I said why? Because your online server, licensed copy. These 2 servers will be your local, lifelong free copy, officially free from Microsoft. This is our online server, accessible for 6 months from today, or from the date of your registration, for 6 months. It has good amount of real-time databases for more practice. Using the same keypad from your remote, you can operate first SIM, second SIM, and the television. Same thing, or AC, whatever it is. Same thing here. One tool enough to control 1, 2, and 3 servers. This is our lab plan today, first half of tomorrow. Let's get started carefully. I have to show you now how to install 2022 latest version. What is this 2022? So I am seeing it for the first time. Then I have to take you back to the previous screen. 2022 is the latest release. 2019, 17, other versions as well. Let's see now how to install 2022 latest release, latest version of SQL Server. Then install 2019. I'll provide you this data, this particular document also. Please take print copy. Install SSMS tool, step 3. Then step 4 will be connect to our online server. Okay, a licensed copy. There is a lot of difference between a trial copy, licensed copy. There is. At our job work, we need this one. So learning you will do in your local servers, green 1, green 2, but assignment submissions you will do in the blue server or online server. Let's get started now. OS requirements, Windows 8 or higher. Let's install SQL Server 2 times for something called remote joins. You may ask me, Sai, why we need 2 times? For remote joins and something called linked servers, etc. I'll put this way, remote joins and other things. Then install Management Studio, test connections to local and remote servers. Test connection to local and remote servers. Okay, we'll do slowly, step by step. Let's see how to do the installation now. Very simple and straight. I said 3 minutes. Before I show you the installation, I'll provide this document today. Kindly try, okay, give a try. Download. Go to this website link, go to our sqlschool.com website and download. Let's wait. This one, okay, 2022. For today, you'll do only this one. For today, only this one, enough for today. Google Drive, it's a OneDrive link. It's a OneDrive link. Click and download. Once you download, you get a file like this, extract. Once you extract, double click on the setup file, installation left, new installation right. Okay, I'll show you anyway. Observe carefully. I'm just giving a preview first. Installation left, new installation right. Accept licensing terms. Azure, Microsoft Cloud for now uncheck. Select database engine. For what? For OLTP, live real-time data. Birthplace of data is said, OLTP. Select database engine, installation name, admin name, install. You are done. I repeat again, you'll do it after the class. Please observe carefully. Download, extract, double click the setup file. Installation left, new installation right, accept licensing terms, database engine, installation name, admin name, install. You'll follow these notes as it is. I'll show you the installation step by step. Now, system backup, network backup, power backup, I will take care to ensure continuity of our service. That's fine, no problem. I'll take care of my things, okay? You take care of on-time practice. That's enough for me. This is a software. From OneDrive, you get this link, right click, extract. Once you extract, double click on the folder. I repeat, once you extract, you get a folder. Double click. Click on setup file. We'll take detailed installation tomorrow. For today, installation left, new installation right. 2 1. Remember, 2 1. Installation left, new installation right. Let's wait. It hardly takes 2 to 3 minutes. We're done with installation. We'll see. It hardly takes 2 to 3 minutes. We'll be done with all the installation process. Let's see one by one. Installation left, new installation right. And now, only for today, please give me some extra 2 to 3 minutes. Only for today, please. Let me show you the installation process. We'll go for questions. We'll go for questions next 2 to 3 minutes. Please wait. I said installation left, new installation right. This is the only waiting screen in the process. Let's hold on for a few moments. We'll go for questions after a few moments. Let's wait. Let's see. We need to get next enabled here, okay? We need to get next enabled here. We'll see. Let's wait. In the meantime, hope you got the first mail, everyone, please. Yeah, please confirm, please. Hope you got the first mail, everyone, please.
Yeah, I received a first mail.
Yes. During your installation, you may see warning. We'll address it tomorrow after installation of the second server. It's a post-installation activity. Next, any warnings, no problem, okay? Continue. Any warnings, no problem, continue. Next. Okay, next. Click on next. Accept licensing terms. Next. Uncheck Azure. Azure is a Microsoft Cloud component. For now, just uncheck it. And next. Okay, next step. Database engine.
Actually, sometimes your screen gets stuck. I don't know. Is it for me or others as well?
I'm going in a slow page actually. Others, is there any problem with my screen or the voice sync up? Let me know, please. I'll wait, please. Others, please.
I'm good on my end.
No, it was fine.
Okay, then fine. I'll continue.
No sides.
Prakash, any non-technical questions, Prakash, you can post on WhatsApp to our team or on webinar chat, Prakash. Okay, I'll continue. Any non-technical things in future, please. Select database engine. Come on, friends. What's the purpose of database engine, please? You remember? Please, everyone, you remember, please? Purpose of database engine? Purpose of database engine?
OLTP.
OLTP. Remember, please? Everyone, you remember? I said OLTP, live online transaction processing database.
Yes, store the online lives
Exactly.
data.
Live cricket match, etc. Okay, and
Yes.
other one we have OLAP, other components. See, different database types, different components are there. Just like MS Office, MS Word, PowerPoint, Excel, Outlook, so on. Our database server also has different components. One of them, database engine for OLTP. Next, it requires 1 GB space. Next, let's wait. It requires 1 GB space. Simply say next. Provide some name. I'll say SQL School Server 1. Give some name. Okay. Next. Give a name. Next. Database engine. Give a name. Next. Next. Admin name. Admin name. Other items. First 30 minutes tomorrow. Admin name. Next. You are done. Install. I will cancel and show you once again. I'll cancel and I'll show you once again now. Firstly, download. Come on, what next, please? Please, what next? Right click, extract, isn't it?
Extract.
Then we get the software like this. What next?
Setup.
Yes, here it is. Once you get the content ready, come on, what next, please? You remember? Double click on the setup file. Yes, okay. Double click on the setup file.
Then go to installation.
Installation left, new installation right. Installation left, new installation right. Okay, let's wait. Once we have installation left, new installation right, next step. Let's wait for a few moments. I understand. You are giving me some grace time. Max 2 minutes will be able to complete the things. Next, any
Click
warnings
on next.
ignore. Next, no worries about other details. We'll go into them from tomorrow. Next, uncheck Azure. Okay, here it is. Uncheck Azure. Uncheck Azure. Azure is a cloud activity. We are going to configure cloud later part of your course. For now, uncheck. Now, next,
Click on
please.
database engine.
Exactly, database engine. Next,
Next.
database engine. Next,
Give server name.
exactly. Any server name is fine. Remember, any server name is fine. Okay. I'll say, for example, SQL School SRV1, server 1. Give some server name. Any name is okay. No problem. Okay. Next, once you give the server name, next, admin name. Okay. Give admin name like this. Server name, admin name. Next, install. You are done. That's it. You are done. 2 to 3 minutes installation will be complete. Try to do this activity. Come on, I'll repeat again, okay? What we did? Download, extract. Next, double click, setup file. Next, installation, new installation. Next. Then what else? Uncheck Azure. Check database engine. Specify installation name. Add current user as admin. Install. Please, are we getting it now? I'll wait, please. Everyone, please. I'll wait. Are we getting it, please? Please, I'll wait.
Yes, we're getting it.
Yes, sir. It's fine.
Fine. Okay, we'll stop for now. I'll provide you all these notes today. Complete detailed note. Take print copy. Follow it carefully. And tomorrow we are going to have detailed installation one by one. We'll do. And how many hours you can practice per day, please? My GK question now. How many hours you can practice per day, please? Minimum 1 hour, everyone, please. Minimum 1 hour.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And some attendees, no response, nothing. No, please. You have to respond to my
Yeah.
questions. I will respond to your questions. Please help me. Please help me. Let's learn together.
Okay, so
On
minimum
emails
1
and
hour.
test conference, please check. We'll stop for today. Questions, please let me know. I'll wait. Emails and please check it. I'll wait. You'll submit a form on our website. We'll stop for now. I'll wait for your submission of the form. Then you need to receive the complete notes and other details, please.